it's me, Luigi. I'm back with another video. And remember when I said in the last video when I said that we're going with fireworks off. This is the video tonight. So the whole family is outside and they're told hi. Remember mission 2, the region told. Yeah, there's my brother. It's me, Mario. So everybody's outside, and that's where we let them off. So that's why everybody's standing back because it can be dangerous. So let's let the first suit up. I wait for it. I'm opening them. And not wait, here you go, Peach, thank you. Hello. Let's redo it the most now. I'd rather just stand back because it can be dangerous. But I'm at a charity shop. Mr. Mine gave me them for free. I just go to my sweetie shop. More alcohol. Alcohol. Once told. I'm on Tuesday night. The first one that I found back after the video. But that was my best friend phoning me. But I found him back after the video. Well, that's it then. Just don't pause the camera and don't set in the bin. And like that was set a fire. By the way, that's my best friend for them. I'm doing the video, so I'll follow him after the video. With me opening the setting water fireworks. Listen there. I'm sending them for Tuesday, but I'm just let me lighting them now. Let me opening them, that's me got the light idea. That's why we just standing back. That's the reason what now set off now. Whoa, that's cool. I did it in magic, Luigi. I did it in magic. I bought them out of Mr. Malloy's. At a charity shop. He sells them. or more on Tuesday. Maybe wanting some more from tonight. I'll save some for Tuesday as well. Look at the fireworks in the set. I think that's it done now. So, well, that's that set finished. So, I'll be putting them in the bin. I'll be getting another set to white. So that this shouldn't be there. And when you got a white again, I'll be whiting them again. That's what we do, whiting them. That's mod one off. Look at the bands. They'll be celebrating by Fox Night already. Not on Tuesday, but just on some I'm just letting some fireworks off tonight, but I am doing a lot more throughout the weekend as well. Whoa. You see that vibe? There's a side, there's a side. This is just changing them, so that's it done. More. There's more in the box. There's enough we wait off and then that's the video finished. And I'll save more for Tuesday. This is Luigi putting them on the blast now. There's the white bat. This is Luigi waiting them, he's running away. Because it can be dangerous. Luigi got the fireworks off today. It's really just on the bar. More to put fireworks in that box and then get the last top on. That's that one done. There's done come out of open. There's a phone box on them there. Now you grab another two. You're lighting them. That's the Luigi putting them on, starting to the ground, and that's the Luigi getting the lighter. To light them now. That's the Luigi lighting them. That's them going off now. That's us. There's one more for this. That'll be the video finished now. I'll call my best friend. I'll find where I'm at Wobnet. They'll just put them Luigi. Thanks stuff for letting me know. That's them done, so the last one. That's Luigi putting them on the ground now. Luigi got the lighter for the last time. That's Luigi lighting the last one of them. Now the video. And then I done the Luigi, I'll take on. I got a charter shop, come on, but my boxes. Let's read a bit in middle of the boxes now. Not some, there's some somewhere. You can see. Need to get it away. Well, all the Luigi, they were cool. Fans. They were cool fireworks. I'm glad you let them and run away. Yeah, Luigi, fireworks can be dangerous. That's why you. Luigi, fireworks can be dangerous. I'm glad you. As soon as you let them, you stood back now. You're amazing, Luigi. Give Luigi a round of applause. Well, Dad, we should go back inside now and get something to eat. Yeah, I agree. Good job, Luigi, for standing back. Yeah, there were some cool ones tonight. Yeah. How did you get them? Magic. I bought them at the charity shop. I remember what shop you got them at, eh? Remember when I got the Christmas lights? In there. Yes. You do the fireworks, but because it's nearly bonfire night and I was in there today and the singer picked them up. Did you pay for them? No. Because I got them for free. Because they used to work in my sweetie shop. So yeah, so that's how I got them. Well guys, I'm going back inside now and do get some tea and watch some telly or something. Yeah. We'll probably come back to it later. I'm not more, but we're going back inside now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video. So bye.